Clutter is nothing more than postponed decisions. That's what Barbara Hill says, and I agree. Today, we're going to talk about how to get motivated to declutter. And if that's something you're struggling with, then you're going to want to continue to watch this video. Out of curiosity, why do you want to declutter in the first place? Go ahead and leave that in the description below. And if you're new here, go ahead and like and subscribe, because my name is Amber Swanson and I continue to make videos like this every Sunday where we talk about maximizing your cleaning so that you can do things that matter the most to you. So let's dive right in. So the first thing you're going to want to do with decluttering is visualize how you want the end result to be. Keep the end in mind, and this is going to help to lay the foundation of visually seeing what your ultimate goal for a decluttered space will look like. Tip number 2 is you want to find a challenge that's going to help keep you motivated and keep you accountable. This is something that's going to help not only prepare you to know what to do each day, but you're able to start small and focus on one thing at a time. And I noticed that there is a weird noise going on in the background. I apologize. There must be some construction going on and it's quite annoying. Anyways, tip number 3 is you want to have an accountability partner, or start a group or find groups on Facebook that's going to help you find people who are like-minded and who want to declutter as well. Having an accountability partner is going to help you to be accountable to getting rid of that clutter and saying bye-bye and toss it in the trash. So what's going to help you stay motivated is tip number 4, is setting small daily goals in a particular area that you set up a get her done section. So what your get her done area looks like is it's going to be a section in the area that you're planning to declutter, and it's going to have your receptacle for trash, to donate, and to recycle. These are going to be set up in the area that you're going to declutter. So when you enter your home and you walk past your decluttering area, your get her done section is set up to remind you, hey, I have one thing that I need to toss in these 3 different sections to declutter every single day. It's going to help you to stay motivated and to get excited every single day that you've gotten rid of at least one thing. That's the goal. Every day, get rid of one thing until it meets your visualization of what you want the area to look like. So with tip number 5, this is the most important, is setting time to reward yourself after you met your goal and visualization of what your decluttered area should look like. Rewarding yourself is the most important thing. But one little tip that I like to leave you is leave that reward in the back of your mind before you start decluttering. This is something that's not only going to keep you motivated, but it's going to get you excited to know that once you've reached your goal, now you can sit back, relax, and enjoy that beautiful space. And so if you're struggling with trying to figure out ways of how to reward yourself, check out this self-care video. It's going to help not only with your self-care, which I suggest any and everybody to set out time for self-care, but most importantly, it's going to help you to reset and start on a new area and just continue that motivation. Check this video out here or in the description below. With tip number 6, after you have rewarded yourself and you're still motivated to continue on, you're going to rinse and repeat. That's right. Tip number 6 is rinse and repeat. You're going to want to continue to move forward in the areas to declutter, and then follow the first 5 steps, and always continue to reward yourself and be kind to yourself and do what you can do. All right, I hope you got a lot of value out of this video, and if you did, go ahead and like and share it with somebody who can get value too. In the meantime, I hope that you check out this next video. So stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.